Where are you going?
I have to go home. Please don't follow me anymore.
I'm sorry for bothering you, but can I have your phone number?
My phone number?
Yes, I really like you. Can I have a chance to get to know you better?
All right, if you insist.
Thank you very much.
37.
Oh, 37. And what else?
That's my age.
You're 37? You look so young and beautiful.
3.
3. What's 3?
It's the number of times I've been divorced.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to be insensitive.
8.
Let me guess. Is it the number of boyfriends you've had?
It's the age of my oldest child.
Oh, so you have kids?
Of course. Now, do you still want my number?
Oh,
You seem scared, don't you? Then please stop following me and leave me alone.
it seems like you hate me.
No, don't get me wrong. I don't hate you. I just don't want to date anyone anymore.
It sounds like you've been hurt a lot in the past.
Are you a therapist? Don't stand there acting like you know everything about me. Just go away.
I'm just a normal guy, but I can see it in your eyes.
See what in my eyes?
Sadness and caution. I guess you've been hurt in the past. When I said I wanted to get to know you, you got defensive. I wonder what happened in the past to make you so guarded.
Oh, you use this line on every girl you meet? Look, like I said, I've been divorced 3 times, and I don't want to date anyone right now. My time is devoted to my kids.
It's not easy raising 3 kids alone. Have you ever thought about having someone to help you with the kids?
No, I haven't. I can handle it on my own.
You're a strong woman. I'm glad you can take care of your family on your own. But there will be times when a man can be helpful. Anytime you need help, just call me. Here's my number.
I really don't need it, Alex.
Just save it. It won't hurt. It's going to rain. You should go inside. Your kids must be waiting for you.
Wait. Hold on.
Yes.
Do you have an umbrella?
Oh, I don't.
Well, wait here. I'll lend you one. But remember to return it. I only have 4 umbrellas for me and the kids.
Oh, thank you so much. I'll return it tomorrow. I know, deep in your soul, you're a kind and caring person.